closures may be needed. Wave action and run-up will likely exacerbate coastal flooding impacts. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is expected or occurring. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and for the following areas in New Jersey, Middlesex, Western Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth. High wind warning in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued high wind warning, which is in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday. The wind advisory is no longer in effect. Winds east 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing: the strongest winds are expected to occur this evening across New Jersey. Impacts: winds of this magnitude will result in downed trees which will cause scattered power outages and damage to vehicles parked under them. Minor property damage is also possible, especially to holiday decorations. Driving high-profile vehicles will be difficult, especially on elevated roadways and bridges. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.